Welcome back to Bite More, guys. So today I am taking up a challenge to record this video in a course of 4 to 5 days because I'm going to ferment these soybeans into kinema. And kinema is a traditional Nepalese cuisine, but it's also consumed widely in Japan and it's known as natto. So I've soaked this, I'm just cleaning it and I'm putting it in the pressure cooker and I'm going to cook it till it's really soft. Just make sure that when you're adding water to your soybeans, you want the soybean to come out dry. So you may as well start with a little bit of water and then pressurizing it at a very sim flame. So you've got this like really antique hanging bag, because apparently the weather is supposed to be really warm and it's pretty cold just now. So we're going to hang it on top of the fire burning place, and we've just layered it with some newspaper, I think double layered newspaper, and we've got an old bed sheet that we've cut into half, and we're going to make it like a nest, a bird's nest. As you can see, these soybeans are really mushy. This is your target. You cannot start without having these soybeans really mushy. Otherwise, it will not turn out to be a good product. And since you're waiting for an entire week for this to form, you may as well get it right on the first trial, right? So as you can see, we are using some banana leaves and placing really hot and steamy soybeans on top of it. So you want to cover in such a way that it is breathable. So make sure you're using no plastic covers or plastic containers while placing it, because you want the bacteria to grow, and cutting the oxygen supply is just killing them. As you can see, we're stuffing in all the possible banana leaves and we're going to cover it up with some more cloth that we've got. So the main intention behind this is you want to keep these soybeans really nice and warm, so that it encourages the growth of bacteria and it also encourages fermentation. And it's all set, covered from all directions, and it's nice and warm. So now for fermentation. 2 points to remember. 1, get your soybeans really dry. 2, cover it up when it's really hot. Bye bye. See you in how many days?
3 days.
See you in 3 days. Generally, this takes around 2 to 3 days, but as you can see, it's been foggy the entire week. It's pretty cold, so I'm opening this after 5 days. As I'm peeling the layers one after the other, I can get the smell of the fermented beans. To many who are not familiar with it, this smell can be very off-putting. But to all those other people who love kinema and who knows what kinema is, we tend to start drooling right from this moment. Depending upon who's watching it, this next clip could be either very beautiful or very traumatic for you guys. This is how natto is consumed on top of plain rice as it is. Otherwise, I think they crack open an egg and they mix it with rice and they consume it. But we here tend to cook it just with some onion, tomatoes and green chilies, and it's a perfect side dish with your rice. If you don't like your friends, then this is the best way to kick them out of your house. Just cook some kinema, they will definitely leave your house. One of the biggest regrets that I have in my life is I couldn't get my friends to eat it, I've converted some of my vegetarian friends into hardcore non-vegetarians, but I could never get them to eat this thing. I don't know why. Nevertheless, goodbye guys. Thanks for watching. When you're here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.